Welcome to CARZ Trends. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a vehicle that blends heritage, innovation, and refinement like few others, the Toyota Crown. Long celebrated in Japan as a symbol of executive status, the Crown has finally arrived on American shores in a form that's both bold and forward-thinking. This isn't just another sedan, it's a statement. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore everything from the design language and powertrain technology to what it really costs to own a Toyota Crown in the US, including financing options, insurance premiums, maintenance schedules, and resale value. If you're considering a premium sedan that's just as much about quiet confidence as it is about performance and luxury, the Crown may just be your next car. Let's begin with the story behind the badge. The Toyota Crown name has existed since 1955, and for decades, it's represented the pinnacle of Toyota's domestic offerings, a car often chosen by executives, government officials, and those who preferred understated elegance. In Japan, the Crown has come in various body styles over the years: sedans, coupes, and even wagons. But in the United States, where the Crown name has largely remained absent since the 1970s, Toyota decided to reintroduce it in a dramatically different way. The 2023 Plus US spec Toyota Crown is a full-size premium sedan, but one that rides higher like a crossover, blurs segments, and pushes the limits of what a modern luxury sedan can be. From a design perspective, the Toyota Crown is unlike anything else in its class. With a fastback-like silhouette, large wheels, a high ride height, and available bi-tone paint schemes, the Crown looks both futuristic and substantial. The front end features a wide hammerhead grille, flanked by narrow LED lights that create a serious presence on the road. The sculpted hood and strong shoulder lines reinforce a sense of power and confidence. At the rear, a full-width light bar ties together its premium aesthetic. In the US, this isn't a car that blends into the background, it stands out, especially in cities like Los Angeles, Miami, and New York where design matters as much as performance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that prioritizes comfort, elegance, and advanced technology. The layout is modern and intuitive, with a massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired to a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. Toyota's latest interface supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation, voice commands, and cloud-based services. Upholstery ranges from Softex synthetic leather to full leather depending on trim, and heated ventilated seats are available both front and rear. Acoustic glass and additional sound deadening materials ensure a quiet ride, while the available 11-speaker JBL audio system turns the cabin into a rolling concert hall. Under the hood, the US Toyota Crown comes with two distinct hybrid powertrains. The base XL and limited trims use a 2.5-liter inline-4 hybrid setup with Toyota's eCVT, delivering 236 horsepower and an EPA-rated 41 mpg in the city. It's perfect for commuters and those seeking maximum efficiency without sacrificing comfort. But for those looking for performance, the top-tier Platinum trim features the new Hybrid Max system. This setup pairs a turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 with electric motors, producing 340 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 6-speed automatic. With standard all-wheel drive and a 0 to 60 mph time of around 5.7 seconds, the Crown Platinum delivers power with a smooth, refined punch. From behind the wheel, the Crown offers a ride quality that rivals luxury brands. The elevated ride height gives it a commanding view of the road, while its TNGA-K platform ensures rigidity and composure. The hybrid powertrains deliver immediate torque, and regenerative braking feels natural. Even at highway speeds, the Crown remains whisper quiet, and the optional adaptive suspension in the Platinum trim adjusts in real time to varying road surfaces. Whether cruising down I-95 or winding through the Pacific Coast Highway, the Crown maintains poise, comfort, and composure. Now, let's talk ownership in the United States. Starting MSRP for the Crown XLE begins around $41,000, while the limited trim starts at $45,600, and the Platinum trim jumps to around $53,000. But what does that translate to in monthly payments? For buyers financing a Toyota Crown with excellent credit, FICO score above 720, APRs as low as 2.9% to 4.5% are available depending on promotional offers and loan terms. Using a 60-month term as an example, XLE, with a $5,000 down payment, expect monthly payments around $690. Limited, with similar terms, payments hover around $770. Platinum. Monthly payments would be close to $895. Toyota financial services and credit unions like PenFed or Navy Federal offer some of the most competitive auto loans in the market, and some banks may offer better rates for hybrid vehicles due to their environmentally friendly status. Leasing is also a popular option for Crown buyers. Toyota's lease deals vary by region, but a typical lease on a Crown XLE for 36 months with $3,000 down could cost around $500 to $540 per month. Higher trims will naturally cost more. Business owners may benefit from writing off lease payments under Section 179 tax code if the car is used for business purposes. Let's look at insurance costs. Because the Crown is a premium hybrid sedan with advanced safety tech and a moderate price tag, insurance is generally lower than European luxury sedans. For drivers aged 30 to 55 with clean records, annual premiums in the US average between $1,400 and $2,100, depending on state, mileage, and trim. States like Michigan, Louisiana, and California tend to have higher premiums. Geico, Progressive, and Liberty Mutual offer hybrid-specific discounts. Bundling with home or umbrella policies can reduce costs by up to 15 to 20%. What about maintenance? This is where Toyota truly shines. For the first 2 years or 25,000 miles, Toyota covers maintenance through its Toyota Care program, that includes oil changes, tire rotations, fluid checks, and multi-point inspections. After that, average annual maintenance costs are very manageable. Routine servicing, $300 $450 per year. Brake service, around $250 minus $400 every 30,000 minus 40,000 miles. Hybrid battery, designed to last 8 to 10 years or over 150,000 miles, replacement cost is estimated at $4,000 $5,000, but failures are rare. Warranty, 8 years 100,000 miles for hybrid components, and 10 years 150,000 miles for battery and CARB-compliant states. Because the Crown is a new model in the US market, parts are widely available through Toyota dealerships, and the vehicle shares many components with other TNGA-based models like the Highlander and Camry, which keeps parts cost and service accessibility high. Now, let's talk about depreciation and long-term value. Being a hybrid with premium features and Toyota reliability, the Crown is expected to hold its value better than most full-size sedans. Analysts like Kelley Blue Book and Alge estimate XLE retains around 55% of its value after 3 years. Limited, approximately 52%. Platinum, approximately 50%, due to higher initial MSRP but added exclusivity. Compared to rivals like the Nissan Maxima, Hyundai Sonata N-Line, or even the base BMW 5 Series, the Crown depreciates more slowly. The hybrid system's longevity and Toyota's resale reputation give it a strong edge. Another important factor is technology and safety. The Crown is loaded with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic high beams, road sign assist, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert. Add to that features like a 360-degree camera,